Hello guys, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we are here with a new and fresh episode of Review Therapy, and today we are here to review the most latest smartphone which was released in the previous month, that is the HTC U12 Plus. As you can see the official trailer of HTC U12 Plus on your screens in a TV. So the looks of the phone are really amazing. It has the dual rear camera and dual front camera. It has the unique design. Translucent blue color is the main highlight of the phone, and it runs on Snapdragon 845 processor. So in my opinion the phone is amazing. It is a flagship device, and as you know that we show the detailed specification of the smartphone at the end of our video, so stay tuned to our video and let's the review begins. So now first of all let's talk about its general specification. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with HTC Sense. It has the octa-core 2.8 GHz Cryo 385 Gold processor and 1.7 GHz for Cryo 385 Silver processor. It has the non-removable Li-ion 3500 mAh battery. It has the 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel dual main camera with high quality zoom and dual 8 megapixel plus 8 megapixel front camera with natural bokeh. It has the RAM 6GB DDR4 RAM, and it has chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which means the phone will run smoothly and there will be no lagging in any games or apps. So now let's talk about some special features of the smartphone in detail. So the HTC U12 Plus has the slogan of "Live on the Edge," an entirely new design with pressure sensitive buttons, a new touch feedback experience, and intelligent interactive edge lets you do even more things with one hand. The highest rated dual camera setup UPI, the best audio on earbuds and speakers, the latest Snapdragon 845 mobile platform that is in every HTC U12 Plus will shatter your expectation. So HTC says that freedom to use either hand. The next generation of HSense offers more useful features and now even knows which hand you are using, giving you true one-handed freedom for either hand. HTC says that tap, hold and squeeze. How did we make HSense even better? Now in addition to squeeze, we have introduced new features like double tap and hold. Do things faster, better and with even more one-handed convenience. It means great. Tap, double tap, single-handed either hand. Double tap on either side for easy one-handed use. You can get an adjustable mini screen that puts everything in thumb's reach. Set as a back key or as a new navigation bar that lets you enjoy the 18:9 screen with ease. Truly interactive design. Hold the screen and it behaves nicely. A simple hold can keep the screen the way you want it, even when lying down. No more annoying and unnecessary screen rotations or dimming. It's the most useful feature you never knew you were missing. So HTC more says that squeeze, give your phone a little squeeze. Simply squeeze your phone to take photos, launch voice assistants and bring up Edge Launcher, a customizable way to quickly access your favorite apps, contacts and quick settings. HSense 2 works in millions of apps. HSense 2 works in almost any app in the Google Play Store. Yes, that's millions of apps. Set HSense 2 to zoom in on a map or play and pause music and much more. Your apps your way. Voice assistant. Free your hands with always on voice or by simply squeezing your phone. Access Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to get the help you need when you need it. Squeeze helps everyone. Not only does Squeeze help you get things done faster, it's helping people around the world use accessibility talkback more easily. The highest rated dual camera setup in the industry they have. Once again, we are bringing you a camera that experts at DxO Mark and Rose V. Your photos will be amazing and your videos with immersive audio will stand out from the crowd. That was not my words, that's the HTC wording which I am using in my video. So dual cameras front and back with 4 cameras, HTC U12 Plus delivers outstanding quality imaging and opens up whole new worlds for artistic creativity. The beauty of liquid surface. The HTC U12 Plus represents a total rethink of what's possible to achieve in design. EdgeSense 2.0 and pressure sensitive buttons bring the edge to life. Add in a beautiful color selection and HTC U12 Plus offers the most dynamic look we have ever crafted. Translucent blue. Admire HTC U12 Plus inner and outer beauty with translucent blue. The delicate color gradient with the translucent design gives you an intimate glimpse into the craftsmanship of this device. A new 3D glass on this 18:9 beauty delivers ultra thin borders that are 2mm narrower than HTC U11's. You will enjoy a more comfortable hold and view, so you can focus on what you love instead of what you don't. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform delivers faster graphics and speed than ever before. It is the ultimate intelligent mobile platform that will extend the way you see, hear and interact with the world around. So that was all from my side. Hope you like our video, and if you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share the video. So you have to just wait few minutes or few seconds for the detailed specification of the smartphone, because we are showing it at the end. As you can see, the pictures and the slides on your screens that are commanding performance, it's best. And the main thing is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform that deliver the faster graphics and speed than ever before. It means the gaming will be so smooth in this smartphone, or we are watching the high quality high resolution videos will just amazing and will run very smoothly. So it is also the splashy resistant smartphone. As I say that the Qualcomm Snapdragon will have the greater speed and the phone will run smoothly, and the gaming performance will be very smooth with the 6GB RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor chipset. So we have another feature which is the cinematic display. It's all with the Snapdragon. We have another feature which is the look to unlock your world, which is the face unlock recognition system, and HTC says that it's very fast. Here we have 3 colors. One is the translucent blue, the other is the ceramic black, and the third one is the flame red. So now we are showing you the detailed specifications of this smartphone. So have a look on these specifications, and if you like the phone, please let me know about this phone in the comment box and also in the poll given up. So hope you like our video, and if you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share, like and comment on this video. So that's all from my side. See you in the next video. For now, take care. Bye bye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.